it's Hannah with WTI. If you are sick of your brooms falling over and having to find a good place to store them, this over-the-door broom holder is going to change everything for you.
Imagine going from looking like this to looking like this in a matter of minutes. BS-VOG has thought of everything when it comes to this broom holder, from the nice thin metal to the non-scratch pads that they have, so you have no noise, no scratching on your door, and your door will close so easily. It has these extremely grippy handle holders that work so well. They're not going to fall down. Your stuff is staying exactly where you put it. And that is the best part, knowing where your broom is. I love having my brooms, my duster, everything right where I need it, and it is held beautifully. No damage to my doors or my walls because I can just hang this over the door. It goes together in a snap and it is perfect.
This over-the-door broom holder has given me my space back. I know exactly where my broom is. It's not falling over, and I love that I can hang my aprons on it, and it is nice and tucked in and out of the way. I couldn't be more happy with it, and that's my point of view.